In 2026, America is quietly redefining what luxury, comfort, and longevity truly mean in residential design. As lifestyles evolve, one architectural form is reclaiming its dominance, not through nostalgia, but through intelligence. The ranch-style home, once seen as a mid-century relic, is now the blueprint for modern living. Designed for freedom of movement, seamless connection, and future-proof comfort, this is not a comeback, it is a correction. And it begins at ground level. The front elevation of this ranch-style home immediately communicates its purpose. Strong horizontal lines ground the structure, while a zero-step entry and wide approach signal effortless accessibility. Natural stone and warm wood finishes replace ornamentation with authenticity, while expansive energy-efficient windows invite light without excess. This facade is neither loud nor passive, it is confident, restrained, and welcoming. It reflects a growing desire for homes that age gracefully with their owners, not against them. Step inside, and the living room reveals the soul of the modern ranch home. Wide, uninterrupted pathways eliminate barriers, while an open floor plan encourages movement, conversation, and adaptability. Floor-to-ceiling glass dissolves the boundary between interior and exterior, allowing nature to participate in daily life. Every proportion is intentional, every sightline calming. This space is not built around furniture, it is built around living well, longer. The master bedroom continues the single-story philosophy with quiet sophistication. Located on the main level, it prioritizes ease without sacrificing luxury. Soft contrasts, acoustic calm, and direct access to a private patio redefine rest as a holistic experience. There are no steps to climb, no tight corners to navigate, only space that adapts as life changes. This is a retreat designed for tomorrow, not just tonight. At the heart of the home, the kitchen embodies intelligent openness. A generous island anchors the space, while accessible counter heights and wide circulation zones support comfort at every age. Energy-efficient appliances integrate seamlessly into warm, tactile materials. This kitchen does not isolate the cook, it connects generations, conversations, and moments. It reflects a shift away from show kitchens toward functional elegance that performs daily. The mezzanine introduces vertical interest without compromising accessibility. With minimal elevation change and strong visual connection to the main living area, it adds flexibility rather than fragmentation. Bathed in natural light, it becomes a reading lounge, creative space, or quiet retreat, proof that ranch homes can evolve beyond flat simplicity. It respects physical ease while enriching architectural depth. The bathroom redefines aging in place as an aesthetic achievement. A barrier-free walk-in shower, reinforced walls, and generous clearances are integrated invisibly into a spa-like environment. Stone textures, warm wood accents, and precise lighting elevate safety into sophistication. This is not a clinical solution, it is dignified design that anticipates needs before they arise. The front yard extends the ranch philosophy outward. Low-maintenance landscaping, wide pathways, and integrated lighting reduce effort while enhancing presence. Native planting choices reflect sustainability and regional awareness, while the openness reinforces security through visibility. This landscape is not decorative, it is supportive, practical, and intentional. Above it all, the roof quietly does the heavy lifting. Solar panels, high-performance insulation, and modern roofing systems transform the ranch home into an energy-conscious asset. The form remains understated, yet its performance is forward-thinking. Sustainability here is not a trend, it is infrastructure for independence and long-term efficiency. The working room reflects how retirement and productivity now coexist. Flooded with natural light and acoustically balanced, it supports focus without isolation. Wide access and ergonomic planning ensure usability for decades. This space acknowledges that modern living is fluid, where work, passion, and purpose evolve but never disappear. The backyard completes the indoor-outdoor narrative. Level transitions, covered seating, and direct access from the living room dissolve physical and psychological boundaries. It is a place for hosting, healing, and slowing down, without maintenance burdens. Nature is not framed from afar, it is invited in as a daily companion. The resurgence of ranch-style homes in 2026 is not about revisiting the past, it is about correcting the future. As America rethinks aging, sustainability, and quality of life, the ranch home emerges as the most human-centered solution. This is why ranch-style homes are not just returning, they are redefining how America chooses to live.